Hey everybody, it's Mr. Shufran. It's nice to talk to you. I wanted to make a short video saying hello. Today is Friday, March 20th. I hope everyone is doing well and feeling healthy and safe. Um, just wanted to try to connect with all of you on a few different ways while we are out of school. So I'm going to be using Google Classroom, Remind, and Google Voice. Um, Working from home in my beautiful home office here, where my wife is also working. I'm home with my daughter and my son, so things have been a little bit crazy here, as they have been for everyone I know. But right now, I think you can see this now. See little Walter is sleeping over in his room. You get to see my super messy house everywhere. So someday I'll show you the rest of the treasures in this office. Um, so um, just want to keep saying that I hope everyone is safe. If you need a computer to borrow, let me know. If you need internet access, let me know. If you need food resources, let me know. If you want the free school breakfast and lunch, let me know. Um, and I will do my best to help you. Um, I am going to put assignments up so that you can practice English. I want to be clear, everything I'm putting up right now is just completely for enrichment. So you have something to do if you're bored. It does not count as a grade. It's not for passing the class. I hope that doesn't mean you won't do it. But I do hope, I just want you to understand that I did talk to some students who were concerned that they want to pass their classes, and that's great. But this is just so that you have something to do while we're all stuck at home. Okay. Um, if if any of you need me, you can always text me on my Google Voice number, um, or reach out to me on Remind. My Google Voice number, which I used to have memorized, I swear, is 617-433-7844. Once again, that's 617-433-7844. I make zero promises that I will read it. I will always try my best, okay? Um, and I think that was everything that I wanted to say in this video. So thanks for watching. Keep looking for some new assignments. I'll say my goal is to have something for you to read every day and something for you to write every day. So something to have input and something to have output. I hope one day I'll be able to put some speaking things up too as a different way to do output and on listening as well. So take care, stay healthy, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.